Xavier Institute of Social Service is delighted to confer the Father Michael Vanden Bogart Memorial Award on Sri Amit Banerjee, Founder Director, Sampark. Request Dr. Father Joseph Marianus Kujur to kindly honor our prestigious alumni. Also, Father Ajit Kumar Khes, SJ, Chairman of the Governing Body of Excises, and we would also like to request Dr. Himadri Sinha, the Departmental Program Head of RM, to please join us. Now I request the team of Professor Arana to help in the execution. The award consists of a sapling, an Angavastram, a citation, a certificate, and a memento. Thank you, Father Director. Thank you, Father Chairman. Thank you, Himadri sir. Now I would like to invite Sri Amit Banerjee to deliver his acceptance speech. Banerjee sir.
In fact, I have no word to express myself. I have come to my old institute after 43 years. I was not well, but I felt that I must come and pay my respect to this institute led by Father Bogart. Respected Father Joseph, Director Excises, so thank you for considering me to come after 40 years to this institute. Father Ajit, sir, thank you very much. Because of you people, today I am in this field. It's true. There is nothing, any doubt that why I am working in this field. We have one alumni. This alumni is 78 pass out batch. Because when we started these classes here, that time PM and RD students, they used to sit together. They had 1 year combined course. And thereafter, PM students, they used to go PM stream and RD students used to come to the RD stream. So, we are really very close at that time. I was a sponsored student by one organization. Every year I used to come to Father Bogart, small, not laptop, typewriter, green color, small, tapata, tapata. Within 3 minutes he used to give, Amit, that's your year. And as I remember, Father Franken. So we had a very informal relation at that time, you know. We never felt that, well, I have come from some distance place. We used to feel that a family. We are so easy to reach to Father Bogart. Hey, you go and do this work. It was a regular. And we could not believe this changed our life. I remember Father one day called, Amit, you have to go to Hyderabad with another one student. No, why? There is one seminar where the village adoption program by the United Bank of India, they are organizing over there. Then their chairman is coming. You have to listen it and you have to report here. See, the thing is that, see, there are many students. We had field work. That time, in the evening, we used to attend in the St. Xavier's. And thereafter, this institute started. You could not believe, each student worked so hard to inaugurate this building. I was given responsibility to prepare the gate. Today, when I was coming, the gentleman, Harsavardhan, who was bringing me, I said that I did this work. I did this work because this gate, when it was inaugurated that time, that time there are not many people to work for this institute. That time we used to work. We used to clean. We used to do this for institute. Really, this work which I am doing, it is because of our Guruji, Father Bogart. He used to teach ISP, Indian Social Problem. Still I remember what is poverty. That time, see, my background was totally different. My background was totally different. But that time he introduced what is poverty. Hey? Doing Naxalism, doing other thing. Let's do the reality, the work at the grassroots level. And Father was used to say, hey, you have to work. And that was the actually we followed. Till 40, our group member, they are in the WhatsApp group, 78 batch. They call, Bogart ka bacha, de kya kar raha hai? I'm telling you honestly, Father, it's not I'm lying you. You see, after this, I got government employment. I also been promoted for passed for the under one UPSC exam. But I joined our church-based organization there in Nadia district, which he mentioned, ACDP. I worked for the farmers directly, and that is the grassroots level participation. How much time? I can take how many? 7 minutes? So I worked with the grassroots level. There I really learned the use of cloth of a woman. Half cloth, half meal for a full day. Children are starving. No clothes for the children. No, nothing. Don't talk about medicine. Don't talk about anything. Only you see that whether child got the breast milk or not. Thereafter, I left some reason and I joined Bhudan movement. And I took the responsibility for Bhudan Land Development Program. There I was totally changed. I saw the attachar bolte hain na, attachar. How these poor people being tortured. Forcefully take them on the land to plow the land. Whole life concept change. Fortunately or unfortunately, CIDA, Canadian International Development Agency, they used to fund that project. And at that time, Tara Ali Beg was the chairman of SOS India, and our Bilkis Latik, she was the chairman for Maharashtra. And one day I saw that their staff officer came, Amit, you have to come to Maharashtra. Madam want to open children's, yeah. So, Dr. Sinha just now told that I had been to Maharashtra, took the SOS pattern. Jane Kaul was that time the chairman of the SOS Children's Village India. So all these people, they were thinking how to promote Children's Village program in Maharashtra. At the same time, I took the another one assignment, as you have been told, that right of the children. So I took work with the Save the Children Canada for the right of the children. And in the meantime, I realized that children, they really lack legal support. They don't have a right. But to translate it, I again went for developing this home for the children In Maharashtra, in 6 places, I'm running shelter home for these children. In Gujarat, in Rajasthan, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bengal. Not only this education, as I have told that I've learned from this institute that education only can change the people. So everywhere I tried to promote education. Ultimately, I wanted to see this. There is definitely management work for developing this program, but the most important thing is that love the children. Father Bogard always used to see that, try to understand the things in a different manner. And I'm really proud. I was not well, but my son-in-law said, Dad, come, I will go with you. My son-in-law has come, Dr. Devanshu Chatterjee. So he said that, I'm coming with you. And I like to see your institute. Really my family is very honored that I have been called to this institute after 43 years. Father, I really believe that this institute has changed my life. And that is why I was able to reach so many children. You could not believe, being a Bengali person in Maharashtra, I have created a trust between the village after village, village after village, village after village. They believe. I have told Dr. Sinha, sir, you send your student, let them have placement with us, let them learn how to work, because they are the all management graduate. They can rather give better input to this working situation also. So I was again very happy that I have been given this Father M.B.D. Bogard Award. I'm really thankful to the XISS Education Council. Sir, I like to mention that Father Alex, who had been to my place, you could not believe my staff. They were all the supervisors, all the in charges, they came just to talk to Father, because they believe that when the XISS can produce Amit Banerjee, must be he was that time director. Director can help us to develop ourselves also. So Father, you remember about 36 to 40 people, they come and just surrendered him. Want to talk to you, tell me. So the thing is that they come from a long distance, because Father's teacher has come. Banerjee's teacher has come. So they come to see and meet him. I request my students, I have like to tell you, you are really fortunate that you have come to this institute and you have been graduated from this institute. Today you may also call to come and stand in this dais to address. Just see whether you work in the corporate, whether you work in the government. I always request, give your one honest day for the rural people who needs your support. There are a lot of evil people now grew in the rural area just because of their own vested interests, but there are still innocent, ignorant people. They need your help. And that is the Father Bogard's direction and guidance. I always tell you that wherever you work, enjoy that work, my students. अगर आप enjoy करेंगे तो you never get tired. You never get tired. You never get fed up. You will keep on doing work. आज आप सोच सकते हैं एक individual. I have any organization, neither government of India, neither any organization. I am the self-man who raised more than 500 crore rupees only from the individuals. It is not easy for them. And there are many few NGOs in the country they did. and which has made lot and lot infrastructure. Definitely government helped me by issuing 35 AC 100% tax exemption. But you could not believe. You come and visit the infrastructure. I have no grant from anywhere, but individual, whether they paid 2 rupees to me, a farmer, during this COVID period, could you believe? That when my lot of funds stopped, villagers from the surrounding, they came with 5 kg, 10 kg rice. And you will see that all the mobile payment, 200, 500,000, 2,000, 5,000, full every day. जैसा मंदिर में पैसा गिरता है. You do the work properly, you will see that once people will trust you, whether you work for the children, you work for the women, whether for work for the adults. But whatever you do, let people understand that you are really doing for them. You are invited to come my place. Please come and visit. I live in a very marvelous place, Lonavala. Lonavala, you know, Kandala Lonavala, and you could not believe the place where I live, best place in Lonavala, full of hills. And this time the monsoon, every side like Juna, Hudru Falls, everywhere. It was unimaginable. Father Alex can explain you. Father, you have again brought me after 43 years. And Dr. Sinha, thank you very much for coming and meeting Dr. Joseph, Dr. Ajit. Thank you, Father. Thank you for giving me chance to come here. I need your bless so that I'm at 70. I can work another 70. That's my prayer. Thank you.